All right, today's game day, and I'm going to do some smoked pizza breads. I'm going to use these little demi baguettes, half-size ones. You can use anything you want though. Tortilla, light bread, hamburger bun, lavish bread if you're doing keto stuff. And let's get at it. So we're going to hollow these out a little bit. Send that over to Hill to the chickens this evening. This way when we throw them on a smoker, chances of it bubbling over ain't near as bad. All right, first, I'm going to take some provolone and line the bottom for a good cheese pull. Then, I'm going to hit it with some tomato sauce. Another thing that'll help do is keep our bread from getting soggy. Now everybody here eats them a little different. You can put whatever you want on these. Put whatever seasoning you want on them. Use whatever kind of sauce you want. But if you've never tried a smoked pizza, I highly recommend it. We smoke everything. I even smoke meatloaves and stuff now. I'm going to hit them with some pepperoni, all except one. I have a child that likes cheese pizzas for some reason. Another thing I like to use on these is Neapolitan pizza seasoning. If you don't have that, Italian or whatever you have will work. These are quick, easy, taste phenomenal. I've tried to make them out of the big baguettes. They look pretty cool, but they pretty hard to handle. mushrooms on mine. Some banana peppers. Of course, we gotta have the fresh basil. And I like the 5 cheese Italian blend on these. Again, you can use any kind you want. It's just my favorite. And pizza seasoning. All right, let's go put these on the smoker. All right, right here's the finished product. They are pretty hot still yet, but bottom's perfect too. I could eat them all day long. But back to the diet tomorrow. And we're gonna have to bomb the house. I've been invaded by fruit flies. Looking at the ceiling, I'd say there's probably about 40 of the damn things in here. One of them pulled a knife on me, told me I was in the wrong part of town, so I figured it was time to take action. That, and I got about 2 stink bugs flying around my bedroom reading me bedtime stories at night, so we got a little bit of maintenance we need to do around here. But these, man, these are great.